Hello and welcome to my bar. My name is Bluntz. Today we're going to make one of my favorite cocktails, and I'm going to throw a little bit of my personal touch into it to give it some more flavor. It's a cocktail I like to order when I go out to eat a lot. It's a good sipper, it gets me started, it gets me a little bit buzzed right away, so I'm ready to eat some food and drink some wine. We're gonna make an old fashioned. Like I said, I'm gonna put a little bit of twist in there. So let's get started. So I'm gonna make this old fashioned in my shaker. I always like to smell my containers. I'm gonna prepare my glassware, and today we're gonna be using a rocks glass, and I'm gonna throw one of my big cubes in there. I've got another rock I'm going to throw into my shaker so I can get that nice and cool. So today I'm using Bulleit bourbon. I like to use bourbon. You can use rye whiskey, you can use scotch, you can use brandy. My favorite is bourbon. If you were counting, I just did a 6 count. That's 1.5 ounces when we're using a standard pour like so. Next, we're going to add a little bit of sweet vermouth. I'm using Dolan, just standard sweet vermouth. 1, 2, 3. That's about 0.75 of an ounce. I'm going to sweeten this up just a touch with a little bit of sugar. I have my rimmer here. I'm going to use about a teaspoon. Here's a little bit of my personal touch. I'm going to add some Dampfwerk Pfeffersack. It's a German style Fernet. If you're ever in the Minneapolis area, I highly recommend trying some Dampfwerk. They're located in St. Louis Park, and they create some really amazing stuff. And I'm only going to put in about 1/4 ounce, so that's going to be a 1 count. Just a dash of the Pfeffersack. A little bit really goes a long way. All right. Now we're gonna start stirring our cocktail. You wanna get the ice to move in unison with the liquid so we cool everything down. We're also gonna wanna make sure that that sugar is mixing together nicely with our booze. Remember, you don't wanna shake an old fashioned because there's no juice inside of it. Unless you're muddling something, you don't wanna shake it. I'm gonna get my strainer out, I'm gonna strain it into my rocks glass. Oh yeah. I'm gonna garnish this with a lemon peel. I'm gonna make sure I twist it off. And then I'm gonna rub it around the edge of the lip. And then I'm gonna finish with some bitters from Dram Bitters. This is Palo Santo Holywood Bitters. I'm only gonna use about a single dash. And there you have it. Give it a shot. Okay, I'm gonna give my old fashioned a shot here. I mean, right up front I get a little bit of lemon, and then I get the Pfeffersack right up front. Probably going to get some bitters. Oh my gosh. There's so many flavor notes going on. You got the Pfeffersack, you got the Palo Santo Holywood Bitters. You can barely taste any whiskey, even though that's the main ingredient. It's got a little bit of sweetness to calm everything down, otherwise it'd be a little too boozy. It's amazing. I highly recommend you trying a recipe like this or putting something like this on your menu at your bar. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Bluntz. This has been Drinks. Please like and subscribe. Donate if you can. Subscribe to my Patreon. Check out my other show called Cooks. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.